Okay, let's move on to the next one. By the way, I'm just noticing here, I would tend to write the reason for this. It says shorten angles at a point, add 360. Angles at a point, you could actually do a number of different things. You could say some angles, now use an at symbol for at point equal 360. And that would be another way of doing it. Notice point, we use PT, but at a point, that's at a, we can shorten that to using the at symbol there. So I would tend to do that. All right, next one is vertically opposite angles are equal. Now, it's an interesting term, vertically, because you'll notice these two are not vertically opposite at all. They're horizontally opposite, of course, if you turn them this way, suddenly they become vertically opposite, but we just call them vertically opposite either way. All right, let's have a look. So there's a lot of ways of looking at this, of course. One of those is these are angles around a point. These are also angles on a straight line. For example, while that's 51, we know this angle here is also going to be, not 51, sorry, this angle here is going to be the supplement of this one. In other words, this here was going to be 180 minus 51. In fact, we can just work that out. So let's do it on the calculator. Nice and simple. 180 minus 51, there it is, and we get 129. So this angle here is 129 degrees, which of course means that this one down here is also going to be 129 degrees, being, again, vertically opposite to the one on top. So we know that x is 51, because these are vertically opposite. We know that these two are vertically opposite. And of course, these are also angles on a straight line. So x, of course, is going to be 51 because it's vertically opposite. But it's also 51 because they've got a straight line here, straight line, and this is angles on a straight line. We've got 129 here, and the rest of it, which would be 51, is there. But they're also angles around a point. So you can think about it a different way again. Because we know, of course, that 129 times 2 and 51 times 2 must equal 360. Let's have a look at that. So we've got 129 times 2 plus 51 times 2. And that must equal 360. Let's have a look. So we've got 129 times 2, and we've got 51 times 2. And that equals, again, there it is, 360. So again, so we can think about this in several different ways. Certainly, the simple version is vert, op, angles equal. I just tend to do that. I tend not to put the dots there. But vert, op, angles equal, and that would be my abbreviation. And of course, we can think about it as angles on a straight line, one straight line across there, and two angles on that line, and one is the supplement of the other. And of course, two angles again on a straight line, and 129 is a supplement of x, and x is a supplement of 129. And that would be the way to think about it as well. So again, angles on a straight line, look out for these, and look out for all the different ways of thinking about this. Remember, the more ways you can think about something, the better your understanding.